The goal that I set up for myself is the alpha, the headshot there that you see, the black alpha circle. That's meant to be for the carbine, and the B in the upper thoracic cavity or in the neck region, that's for the pistol in the transition. And I've got small IPSC alpha silhouette steel to mix things up. And then the distance between the left-hand target and the right-hand target is about 25 meters. All right, so the goal of this particular drill is we have a round in the chamber, empty magazine on the long gun, a round in the chamber, empty magazine on the pistol. On the buzzer, sprint 7 meters, shoot one with the long gun, transition to pistol once the stoppage happens, shoot one with the pistol. Then get both firearms back up and running again by confirming with 2 additional rounds. And then once the long gun is back up and running and it's in the hands and it's working, it's good to go, then transition from the far left target to the far right target, which is approximately 25 meters apart. All right, so the goal I set for myself for this particular drill is 12 seconds or less. I'm about 35 repetitions deep and I haven't met that time yet, but I'll keep going. It's about 35 degrees Celsius today, so it's good shooting weather. I'm trying to drill this over and over until I meet that time, with smooth transitions between firearms, with smooth reloads, and also with the smooth transition between targets. So try this one out, guys. For the goal I set for myself is 12 seconds, but for you, you know, whatever that might be, whatever is a reasonable time for you, okay? So shoot straight, shoot safe. This is Randy with Direct Action Combat Performance.